Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a beauty haul. I'm going to show you a few different makeup from different stores. So today I have, for the first time, I'm going to try, I got this in Ulta, the famous Shape Tape by Tarte or Tarte. Haven't opened them, just one because I want to show you guys the brand new. And my color is light sand. Let me see, because I never tried, I never wear it. So I'm going to swatch that for you guys. Wow, I think it's huge, a little spongy. I am not the best. Swatch it. Look at that. Bad. Let me just do it again. And better. There you go. Nice, I like it. Can't wait to try it. Couldn't wait to. Every time I went to buy to get this one on my color, it was always sold out. Then the other one I got and never is a lipstick by Doce. Never used this one before either, and the color is Rosebud liquid matte lipstick. I never used this brand. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. Love the way the color of the bottle looks. Kind of like, how you say that? What would you call these? Gosh, I forgot. Anyways, beautiful, huh? Let me swatch that color for you. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. I like it. Oh, I can't wait to use that one. Next, it is Colorpop Ultra Glossy Lips. This is so pretty. From Colorpop. Wow, love it. My favorite color is pink. Everything pink and shiny. I get excited. So pretty. Let me swatch that. Oops. Can see, because it's glossy, you can really see it. But if you put it on top on a lipstick or something, you can see it. Can you? I don't even remember where I put it. Right there. The color is Double Agent. I don't know if this focus, but it is a beautiful color, and it is, like I said, by Colorpop. Next, it is from Smashbox Photofinish. Never used this before either. I usually use the Benefit or NYX. So I don't know how this one works, and I think it has. Let's see. It is tinted. Right here. Feels nice. Very nice. Feels like the Benefit one. And no different. I like it. Next one is by Jaclyn Hill Morphe Eyeshadow Palette. That is the name right there. I never used Morphe before. This is my first time. Because the only thing I have from by Morphe is makeup brushes. That's the first time I used something from them. But like makeup or lipstick or foundation or anything like that I never used before, so I decided to go ahead and get one of these. I don't have the whole collection. I wanted to try it first and maybe I just buy the rest, but for now this would do. I already have the Jaclyn Hill Becca highlighter palette, and I do like that one. So I'm like, oh, this is so pretty. Very nice. And of course I had to get it in these colors because if you know me, I love pinks. That is so pretty. Ooh, that's a quick swatch. Wow, very pigmented. Let's do this one. Nice. Which one I want to swatch? This one. Very pretty. I like. And last one is going to be, wow, they feel very velvety and soft. Really like it. Okay, one more. Ooh, love. Let me put this. Wow. Let's swatch them all because I love them, all of them. Good job, Jaclyn. The one I'm going to swatch now is going to be Basi. And so white and pale that you can't tell that color, but you could see it right here. It's that one. Beautiful. Let's see this one, Hush Hush. Nice. Let's do the purple one again. I like it. So they're good. Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herb and rose water. It is a setting spray or any whatever, however you want to use it. I use it for setting spray, and I like to put this after I put my moisturize. I like to use it before I go to bed and in the morning too. I always use that. And then now moving to Walgreens. Every time I go to Walgreens, I always end up coming out with some kind of makeup. So this is another eyeshadow palette by L'Oreal. Never heard of it before or even saw it. Never used it before, so I can't wait to try this one. Has all my favorite colors. Ooh, that is nice. How pretty. Let's see. Ooh, job, L'Oreal. I like. That's so pretty. Let's try that gold one. Let's see. Look at it. There's that one right there. Let's try all of them. So I did that one, and that one. Beautiful. Very pimented. Nice. I cannot wait to use this one too. Oh, let me try this brown one. I don't think I swatched that one. Look at that one. Beautiful. Let me see if I have place to swatch these. Cool. I like it. Very nice. I can't wait to use this one too. Another one from L'Oreal. Havana Camila Cabello eyeshadow, and this one was ombre papilla. Forgive me, I cannot pronounce that, but like I said, I will put everything down below with the link. But this one, I don't know if it's gonna be because when I bought this one, it was, you say, limited edition, and when I went back to get the rest, it was completely gone. Now ignore that sound, it is annoying, but the garden are cleaning. So yes, when I went back, they were gone. So I guess it's limited edition. If they're gonna bring it back or not, I do not know. But they had other colors and they had other stuff too. I just didn't think about getting the rest. So that is the color. So that is the color. Ooh, that's pretty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Good. And next, it is by When a While. Another one, limited edition, and this one is super pink, and it's a blush, a limited edition, and the color is Dare to Soar. Yes. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful, so pink. Whew. Wow. Let's see. That's it. Let's do one more swatch. Whew. For a blush, it is dark, like very pigmented. Let me see if I could just. Let's see. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, I am so glad I got this one. Now, you can even use this as a shadow. Very, very, very pigmented, so you have to be very careful. But I like it. Moving on to foundation. And I bought these two. CoverGirl, I haven't tried it yet. I cannot wait to use this because I saw that it doesn't transfer to your clothes, so we shall see. If you want to see a first inspiration foundation, just comment down below and I will do a video. But this is, I got two colors because sometimes I use my self tanner, so I like to mix if I have like a tan. So but my color, this one is CoverGirl True Blender Matte Foundation, Comfort Matte, Transfer Resistant, and the color is Ivory Door. So this is one, and the color is, of course my color is not going to be everybody's color, but I just wanted to say the name in case somebody asks. And the other one is same, but the color is Ombre Door. So these two. So this is if I'm tan, and this is if I am where I am now. And this, let me open. Let's try. And let's do the dark one. Woo! Those are the colors. Don't mind the swatches. Very nice. Next, it is the Telescope L'Oreal mascara. I could not find my favorite one, the one that I showed in one of my videos. They were sold out, so I had to get this kind. Never used this one before with the gold. Let's see. That's pretty. Very nice. Let's see. Oh, it looks just like my favorite one with the same one, so it's good. This is going to be my first one trying this kind too. And my last thing I have here is the I bought these for $3. You call these hair thing to hold your hair, so when I do my makeup it will hold my hair. So I got these in Five Below. I use this to hold my hair. If you've seen me on my other videos, I have one, and I saw this one and I like the way how the color of the fake crystals. It's just different, so pretty. So, and for $3 you can never go wrong to hold your hair. It's perfect. So this was in Five Below for $3. So thank you guys for watching this beauty haul. I really enjoyed it. All these stuff are new to me. I never used none of these products, so I cannot wait to start doing tutorials with it. Enjoy the video. Please hit like, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you could get a notification. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will put all the products, all the links in the description box. Hopefully I be able to find all of them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find the one that I say is limited edition, but I will look for it, and if you guys don't see the link, then it's because they're a limited edition. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye.